Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful Barbie themed cake for a 7-year-old. I'm going to show you how I got everything that you see here in just a few minutes, so stick and stay with me as we make this beautiful cake here. These are the cakes we are using for today's cake order. It includes my strawberry or pink velvet cake, which the recipe is already on the channel. You can check out. We also have my vanilla cake layer here. These are all 8 inches. We'll substitute this in between because the other cake got destroyed after it was baked. It fell off and broke apart, so we are going to use this for the substitution. This is our whipped cream frosting. The recipe is already on the channel. You can check out. My plain buttercream frosting. The recipe is on the channel. You can check out. And also colored in pink. Since this is a Barbie cake, this is the cartoon characters we are using. This is the name of the baby girl we are making the cake for today. We'll also be using these other ingredients here, our sprinkles, and then we'll use some scrapers and the rest of the cake decorating tools we usually use, as well as our cake box here, and then it's set in the turntable. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So I'm going to fix sprinkles in the middle portion of the cake so that when we cut it apart, it's going to fall off to look like an explosion cake. But we first of all have to mark it out to know where exactly the cutter will fall. So it should be somewhere here. So I'm going to cut into it. And then pull it back out. Mix will pour into the middle of it. So we'll add the frosting. And I'll smoothen it out. I'm going to pour it in. This is how it looks like after all the fixings and then adding in this. I've also added on top a layer of whipped cream. So we are going to add the last cake layer here. So this is it. I'm going to crumb coat it and then we'll continue from there. This is how the cake looks like after bringing it out of the fridge. I'm going to add on the whipped cream frostings we have. So we'll start carving from there. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to smoothen it out and then we continue. So these are the toppers I'm going to add. We are going to start off with this here. Then we add the others as well. If you've watched the video till now, I'll please like you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then join us each and every Thursday and Sunday when we post new videos by subscribing so that you get notifications on your phone anytime the video is posted. To arrange this, and then we'll top it up with some sprinkles. And this is how the cake looks like after all the decorations is done. So we are going to package it since we are going to deliver it to church very soon for the birthday girl. So this is how it looks. We are going to add the rest of the other parts of the cake box, and then we'll continue from there. So this is the cake. I'm here to package and then we are going to deliver. I'm covering it with this. We'll add the gold ribbon. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.